My name is Nicola Bruce. I'm the Group Procurement Manager for Redefine BDL. Redefine BDL is a hotel management company who currently manage circa 46 hotels, from Holiday Inn Express, Crown Plaza, Aloft, Hilton hotels. The main reason I chose Procure Wizard was purely down to its adaptability and flexibility regarding our business and how we operate. One of the key benefits being the menus, dishes and recipes module that we use. The amount of information we can get on allergens is much quicker, much easier than it could be in any other system, streamlining the whole purchase to pay process. Without that, it's a long, cumbersome process. The real-time data that we have makes procurement much easier and much quicker. The information that we can now pull from the system in a matter of minutes is second to none. Chefs love it for managing the stock checks, for keeping favourites list, ease of finding products. The best thing about Procure Wizard has to be the team. They're really helpful, they're really quick, and nothing's too much of a hassle. The service from Procure Wizard is absolutely fantastic. I couldn't imagine life without Procure Wizard. Now, I don't know how anyone can operate without it. Going back to manual systems is absolutely not something I want to do. I would recommend Procure Wizard without a shadow of a doubt, and I have done many times. I don't know how people can go about their daily business without it.